Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you a very exciting new beta feature of Microsoft Teams that I think is going to be expanded upon and has a lot of potential. It's useful right now though, and you should explore it and get familiar with it. It's called live captioning. And what it allows me to do is go into my meeting, turn on live captioning, and everything that I say will be transcribed into the meeting. And I'll show you that in a moment. Now, there are a couple of things that you should be aware of. One, it's US English right now at the moment, so it doesn't support multiple languages. And also, if you record the meeting, those live captions are not part of that recording. That information is just presented at the time of the meeting, and then it is erased. So it's good from a security standpoint, but I'm hoping that in the future they give us the option of maintaining that captioning and saving it either as a separate file or, for example, in a class notes type of environment, or saving it into the meeting recordings. Right now that's not available. However, it is very useful. Let's take a look at it right now. Live captions are an excellent feature that we can just put into our meetings. I'm going to open up a new meeting here. We'll call it just welcome. So we'll just do a little welcome meeting here. So you'll notice that I'm on the screen and you can see me on the meeting here. There's a little bit of lag because I'm recording this, but if I go into the ellipse and I turn on the live captions, now everything that I say is going to be live captioned right down below here. So you'll actually see that everything I'm saying is captioned and can be read by students who maybe don't have the ability to turn on their audio, or maybe students that want to actually read what I'm saying because they're not catching a word or something that I might be mispronouncing or pronouncing in a way that's unfamiliar to them. This is especially useful for students that have English as a second language, or for students that do need to work in an environment where they don't want the microphone on. Let's say they have children at home. It's a great tool. What's even better is that as I invite more people into this meeting, what will happen is when they speak, it'll actually display their name, so we'll know who's speaking, and it'll have their information or their words transcribed as well. So fantastic feature, very simple, just one that I wanted to show to you as a useful feature that you might find has value in your classroom and for your purposes. So it's as simple as that. It's a really quick feature. It's really handy with a group where you want to see who the speaker is because it'll put their name in there. It's a really good feature if you have people with a bit of an accent where you can maybe not understand the word they're saying, but the live transcript will pick that up. It's also really handy if you have folks that didn't catch something that was said, because you'll see a couple of lines in there. So consider using it. I hope this was a useful tip, even though it's a very, very quick video. It's a really simple tip with a lot of value. Think about how you'll use that in your own classroom. There's some longer videos that I've made here as well. And there's, of course, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.